Hi friends, welcome to Hackers World. Today we are going to see how to install Kali Linux in virtual machine. We use Kali Linux for hacking. Linux is the most secure OS. We can also use Windows, but comparing with Windows, Linux is the most secured one. Linux has many types like Ubuntu, Fedora, Linux Mint and so on. Kali Linux is mainly built for finding bugs and hacking. It contains more than thousands of built-in tools. Secondly, we are going to install virtual machine ware. It is used to create a virtual network to use in a safe environment. We can run an OS within another OS. So what we are doing in a virtual machine will not affect the physical machine. So it's completely for a beginner's purpose. If we did any mistake, it will not affect the physical machine. So let's get on to the topic. Open your browser and search for virtual machine workstation. Go to the search bar, vmware workstation download. So click the second one. On the right hand side you can see download free trial. So it's asking us to choose whether Windows or Linux. So I have Windows, so I'm installing in Windows. You can also download it from Linux. It's your choice. So here we have workstation 15.5 Pro. So download it. So the download may take some time. So next go to the search bar and search for Kali OS. So here you have to click the official link kali.org. This is a Kali Linux download. So scroll it down. In the bottom you can see the Kali Linux 64-bit VMware. You also have many 32-bit, 64-bit and many things. So we are going to download the first one. Okay, it's loading. So this is the Kali Linux virtual images. So scroll it down. So here you can see that there are two bits, that is 32-bit and 64-bit is given. So I'm downloading 64-bit Kali Linux virtual machine. So it's downloading. So the downloading may take some time. So till that we can see about the courses and certifications. You have many courses. You can also enroll for it. So penetration testing with Kali Linux, advanced web attack and exploitation, cracking the perimeter, advanced window exploitation and wireless attack. So each and every course have some sort of price depending upon the difficulty level. So here you can see the courses start from $999. Everything is depending on the difficulty level. So also we have the lab sessions. So lab sessions you can test and train based on the courses that you have studied. You can test and also train. It's like a proving grounds. Download is nearly completed. So open your virtual machine ware and run the setup. Well, I've already did that. So I'm opening it. Okay, so this is the virtual machine. Okay, see on the left hand side you can see the player and choose file, and within a file you have to choose open. See file, open. So what I'm going to open is the file that we have installed. I have installed the Kali Linux 64-bit, right? So I'm going to choose it. So I've already stored it in the E drive on my system. So you can store it wherever you like, but you have to choose the correct folder when you are opening it. So I've already selected that. See, this is a Kali Linux and I'm opening it. So when I click open, it automatically gets into this VMware. So I've already have the same name as that, so I'm renaming it. I'm renaming it as Hacking OS. You can name whatever you want, that's your wish. So I'm renaming it as Hacking OS. Okay, so it was completed. So in the right side, you can see some details are given about the Hacking OS. So the state is powered off, the OS is Debian, the version is workstation, and the RAM is given. And we need to choose play virtual machine, and also we have settings. So in settings, it's depend on your wish, you can change however you want. So I'm clicking play virtual machine. So it's asking us okay, it pop out the dialog box. So there you need to click I copied it, because we didn't move any folder, we just copied the downloaded folder, right? So just click I copied it. Okay, so if this is our first time, so it might actually boot the OS and might take some time. So you can see many files are running, and you can also see the blinking screen. So change it to the full screen. Okay, it actually might take nearly 5 to 10 minutes or 30 minutes too. Everything depends upon your computer speed. Okay, so it directly took us to the login page. So for the login and the password, you can create a new one, or you can choose the default one. So I don't know whether you might have noted or not. If you go to the installing page, they have given the password and the login for this Linux. See the red lines? These images have a default login or password of Kali. So the login and the password both are Kali. This is by default, and this is what we're going to use now. So go to the Kali Linux and enter Kali, and enter password as Kali and login. Okay, it might take nearly 5 minutes. It's loading. So after it completes the booting, you can see the background changes. So see, this is a VMware, this is one type of OS. So we are using this Linux OS in the Windows OS. That is, we are using one OS within another OS. This is one type of speciality. I've already told you, whatever we done or did or we are going to do in the virtual machine, it will not affect the physical machine. The physical machine is nothing but our Windows. Okay, I'm changing back into full screen. You can see the logo. The Kali Linux official logo is dragon. So I'm going to the comment section. So let's see some comments, okay? So first comment is PWD. So it tells us where we currently are. So I'm in my home page in Kali Linux. So it's given as home Kali. Next I'm searching for CD desktop. Okay, this is a directory, and I'm entering ls and then cd ... I've called the directory. Okay, so now I'm again command for pwd, and again show us we are in the home page. So now what we are going to do is we are going to create a directory. So for creating a directory, The command is mkd. Okay, so you can go and check. Okay, the test1, the file is created. If I need to remove the file, then you need to use rmdir and the file name. These two commands are very important because when we use Kali Linux, whenever we need to create a directory, we are going to use this command. So you need to remember this both commands. Next we are going to see sudo. So I'm going to use sudo password. That is, here we can create a new password. Okay, I'm sorry, I have entered the wrong spelling. It's not PSWD, it is PASSWD. So remember to remember the spellings, okay? There should not be any errors. So you can see I've given the sudo password. It's asking us for the new password and retype the new password. So when we complete that, you can see password updated successfully. Everything will be done in this comment section alone. So next I'm checking for the installing packages, everything. So here sudo apt get update. If I need to get update, then this is the command for that. And the update is already completed, so it's given as done. And if it is a upgrade, if I need to upgrade this Kali Linux, then this is a particular command for that. Okay, so next I'm giving sudo apt get clean, and then again I'm clicking clear. That means whatever comments that we have used, everything will be cleared off the screen. Next, sudo I. So sudo I, it is like a root. Okay, it's like if we need to get some installation and everything, it's like a root, that is Tor. So if I need to install Tor, then I need to give this. Okay, well, there is no installation candidate on my system. It's saying that my package is missing. Well, I'm entering again sudo apt install. Yeah, well, that's all. It might be some errors on my system. Okay, so I'm clearing the screen now. Okay, so for creating a new document, text document in Kali Linux, you need to remember this command, nano doc.text. This is like a notepad that we use in the Windows. So you can write anything you want here. So after entering, don't forget to save it. Okay, it's like a new file. So next, on this root, I can also give the message as a comment by using an echo. So I'm going to use the keyword echo, and within a double quotations I'm giving a message. Okay, echo, and within double quotations I'm giving a message as Hackers World. So if I click enter, and it will be printed. Simple. So these are the things that you need to remember about Kali Linux. This is our few certain comments. So thank you for watching, guys. If you have any queries, post it in the comment section. And sorry for the background noises if you heard anything. And thank you so much, guys.